So, I mean, how can people, I mean, obviously you got courses, you got ride-alongs, like, I mean, like, what's your online government? I mean, what's your Facebook, Instagram, website address?
Yeah, not a problem, man. You know, I'm growing on the Instagram, so I'm Lenny underscore the underscore ball 723. So hit
Mhm.
me up, DM me, follow me. We doing some cool things there. I'm heavy on Facebook, right? You can look me up, Lenny the Boss, on Facebook, Leonard Nesmith on Facebook. We have a YouTube channel, same thing. Lenny the Boss there. We're actually starting we're about to drop a whole bunch of value on our YouTube channel. I probably have about 30 videos that's just waiting to be dropped. So I'm just, so we're about to drop those, and we will be dropping them on Instagram as well. And also, man, anyone who DMs me or private message me and let me know that they rock with you, I let them into the private Facebook group, where we drop some jewels there as well. And also you can get some networking opportunities, out of that as well. Just DM me, let me know that you're down with the boss. and you're automatically in with no problems, no issue. But yeah, if you want to hear more just about the next ride along, just DM me. I'm actually putting together the calendar now, and I can give people more insight, give you the link, and kind of go from there.